Hi everybody, Joshua Flex Trades here. We are at Automate 2024 in Chicago, Illinois, and I am joined by Lou Finazzo, VP of Sales for FANUC North America.
Automate this year is fantastic. We're expecting the largest attendance ever. And as you can see, collaborative technology is really evolving. At Automate this year, we are dominated with our collaborative robot line. So we now offer collaborative technology anywhere from 4 kilograms all the way up to 50 kilograms. Behind is our largest reach and payload CRX robot, as you can see, handling a 30 kilogram with a very, very good reach. So this robot is now very useful for a lot of applications that one may or may not have thought of in the past for collaborative. And so when we think about collaborative, it's not just safer, it's also a way to subsidize and work close with humans. So as you can see on this wall right here, this is our current product lineup. Very good, very strong. Application-wise, so what we're showing at Automate this year is a lot of key applications for collaborative, because not just the ability to rapidly utilize the technology and get it in people's hands, you also have to have some levels of application to be successful. So you can see here we're demonstrating a very useful potential application, which would be like for kitting or for parts storing and transferring. So we're using our motion control product as well, and then we're using collaborative with vision, because all of our collaboratives are just like our industrial robots. So when you get a collaborative from FANUC, you don't give up any of our features and benefits and key strengths. The other thing that's very important about our collaborative technology is it's service-free for 8 years.
Wonderful.
Yeah, so our goal is to get them out in the workplace, to help people earn and keep and make more profits, as well as to grow the technology, because it is also a very good gateway product. People get this, they become more comfortable with the technologies, and then they can move into other types of automation.